What's going on, YouTube? Please excuse the look, but it's morning time and I was like, you know what? Let's just wake up and do a couple DIY. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, we here. So I hope y'all doing good though. Today I wanted to go ahead and give these a little makeover, bring them back to life. I've had these shoes for about 8 years now. They're very special to me because I started my weightlifting and fitness journey with these and I can't get rid of them. But as you can see, they are turning like, it looks like greenish, especially when the sun hits it. I'm gonna show you guys outside how they look like. So we're gonna go ahead and dip these in dye, bring them back to life, get them right. They have some thread here. So for this thread, I'm just gonna show y'all real quick what I do, like with loose threads. I'm gonna go ahead, just you know, be careful doing this. I do this to all my shoes, like any loose threads or anything like that. I get them up with a lighter, and that seals it right away. Like little threads like that. That'll bring them back. Matter of fact, a couple here. Go ahead. That will seal all that. So any loose threads on your shoe or bags or wherever, I go ahead and like go right here. It's a little, let me show you real quick. See, bring it back in there. Anywhere else, because we want to keep these shoes forever. If I had to let go of any pair, these will not be it. I will keep these forever. These are very special to me, so I want to go ahead and take care of them and bring them back to life. And I'm excited for that because they're gonna look like they brand new again. Alright guys, we are going to be using this black RIT dye that I got from Hobby Lobby. Shout out to Hobby Lobby because Walmart only carries about 4 to 5 different colors and Hobby Lobby had the whole shebang. I'll insert a little video here for you guys so you can see. They have absolutely almost every color in stock and you can get them for $2.99, and then the synthetic ones are $4.99, and then they have boxes for like $1.99, and they have packets as well. So if you are looking for any RIT dye, definitely check out your local Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, I am filling up my stainless steel pot with some hot water so we can go ahead and put it on the stove. I'm going to go ahead and boil my water a little bit more. I don't want it too boiled, but somewhat boiled. We got our hot water boiling. For our black dye, we added 1 cup of salt, a teaspoon of dish detergent, and now we are about to add in our dye. Shake that up real good. And we're just gonna mix that in. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this into our bucket holder. That way we can put our shoes in here. All right guys, our black dye is ready. We're gonna take one final look at these converses before we see them again. All right, we're also gonna put the laces inside of the dye. Here goes in the laces. And here goes in the shoe. Alright guys, we're gonna put it like that. I'm gonna put the other one next to it. Well, that one has something there. I forgot to clean it out. It's okay though, no worries. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out the shoes with some water. You can also go ahead and throw them in the washer real quick. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick wash real quick. You can dry your shoes in the dryer if you like, but I don't normally like to do that. I like to put them outside to dry, or I usually leave them under the sun, but we're just gonna leave them right there for today. All right guys, the shoes are dry, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray some Scotch Guard Outdoor Sun and Water Shield Protector on it because it's gonna help it protect it from the sun rays, and it's also gonna repel rain and snow. It's a 1-coat application. It dries quickly and clear, odorless when dry, and then right there are all the things that you can use this product on. So we're gonna go ahead and just spray it down now. Like that. I did 2 coats on there, guys. Now we're just gonna go ahead and let that dry for a couple minutes, and I'll be back with the finished results.